Ever found yourself in a pickle, confusing your left from your right? We're here to provide a simple guide. Fear not, we have some simple tricks to help you out. First, try the L hand trick. Just extend both hands, palms facing down. The hand forming an L with the thumb and index finger is your left hand. That's the L hand trick. Easy, isn't it? Next up, the writing hand trick. Picture the hand you use to jot down notes. Most of us use our right hand. Remember, the hand you write with is likely your right hand. Now let's try the ring trick. Picture yourself wearing a ring on the fourth finger of your left hand, much like the traditional spot for a wedding ring. So, the hand with the imaginary wedding ring is your left hand. So, to sum it all up, we've learned 3 easy tricks: the L hand trick, the writing hand trick, and the ring trick. Regular practice will embed these tricks into your muscle memory. With these tricks up your sleeve, you'll never confuse your left with your right again.